try this. Down here. That's the noise. That's right at 5,000 RPMs. 40.5. Used to only make it when I actually shifted. Now it's just starting to make it all the time when you stay at that particular RPM.